We're continuing to get worse and worse news as the FTX exchange situation unfolds, including the fact that their liabilities are over 10 times larger than their total liquidity. Let's talk about it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and today, as I said, I'm going to be going over some more news updates for the FTX exchange collapse, telling you what's going on, what really happened behind the scenes, and where Sam Bankman-Fried is now. I'll also be going into an Ethereum analysis based on all this news, and at the very end, I have an exciting announcement, guys. The Black Friday sale for the Trade Confident indicators has just started, so be sure to watch to the end to see how to get access to that. With that, let's get started. Now, I actually have 3 articles here, so I'm going to run through them really quickly. Bankrupt FTX had $9 billion in liabilities with only $900 million in liquid assets prior to the collapse. New documents reveal that bankrupt crypto exchange FTX reportedly had liabilities 10 times larger than the value of all its liquid assets combined prior to the implosion last week. According to a recent report by the Financial Times, FTX's balance sheet reveals the extent of the embattled crypto exchange's outstanding debt. The document shows that FTX had only about $900 million worth of easily tradable assets against a staggering $9 billion worth of liabilities a day before the firm filed for bankruptcy. FTX's new CEO, John Ray, who recently took the helm from founder Sam Bankman-Fried after his resignation, says the firm still has valuable assets that would allow the company to maximize recovery for stakeholders. A large portion of the company's liquid assets were Bankman-Fried's shares of a trading giant Robinhood. According to the report, the former executive has about $470 million worth of Robinhood shares, which he purchased last year. The article goes on to list other investments and liabilities that they have, but I think it's really interesting to note this paragraph. Other assets include a $7 million holding titled FLEES, an ERC20 token that's supposed to be redeemable on FTX based on the results of the previous U.S. presidential elections. The crypto exchange also did not list Crypto King Bitcoin as an asset despite having $1.4 billion worth of Bitcoin liabilities. So essentially with this, FTX had coins that held no intrinsic value on top of FTT, as we all know. But FLEES is essentially just a meme coin. It doesn't actually do anything. It's an ERC20 token, and they held $7 million worth of it, which is just absolutely ridiculous. And on top of this, they held no Bitcoin, despite having $1.4 billion worth of Bitcoin out liabilities. Next article here, FTX reportedly hacked as officials flag abnormal wallet activity. Wallets tied to FTX and FTX US have seen $659 million in cumulative outflows over the past 24 hours, according to Nansen. Collapsed cryptocurrency exchange FTX reportedly faced a series of unauthorized transactions over the weekend, prompting several warnings from users and analysts against interacting with its mobile application or website. We've seen over $2 billion in net outflows from FTX International and FTX US over the past 7 days, of which $659 million, or 33%, happened in the last 24 hours. Somehow, no congestion or long wait times when the wallet was getting mass drained. FTX US General Counsel Ryan Miller confirmed on November 12th that the transactions were unauthorized and that FTX had moved all remaining crypto into a cold storage as a precaution. Kraken's chief security officer, Nick Persoco, I could be saying that wrong, later tweeted that they were aware of the user's identity but did not share any information publicly. We know the identity of the user. I don't know about you guys, but I think his initials might be SBF, but that's just me. It just feels really suspicious that through all of this, they lost $659 million. Just absolutely wild. Something's fishy, guys. I don't know about this. I can't say anything. I just don't, this doesn't feel right. Last but not least, Sam Bankman-Fried is under supervision in the Bahamas, looking to flee to Dubai, just as any non-guilty person might, fleeing the country and heading to Dubai. What person who isn't guilty wouldn't do that? FTX former CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, co-founder Gary Wang, and director of engineering Nishad Singh were understood to be in the Bahamas and are under supervision by the local authorities. A source familiar with the matter told Cointelegraph that the 3 former FTX executives, as well as Alameda Research CEO Caroline Ellison, are looking for ways to flee to Dubai. while the plan was made assuming that the United States doesn't have any extradition treaties with the UAE. The nations signed a mutual legal assistance treaty back in February 2024 to work against criminals. Now, in this article, there are a lot of rumors saying that Sam Bankman-Fried had already been arrested or where he could be going, but no one really knows for sure at the moment. It feels very eerily similar to Do Kwon, who said he's not running or anything like that. He just avoided the authorities and moved to a different country in order to get arrested. I don't know what you think, but that sounds like running away to me. And I think that's exactly what Sam Bankman-Fried is doing. It's always fun to see billionaires get away with absolute crazy scandals. This is absolutely insane, but it really does look like he could be getting away with it, as many other billionaires do. So that's a lot of fun. Anyways, as I said earlier, the FTX exchange scandal just continues to get worse. As we learn more, we're seeing how bad this FTX scandal actually was, seeing what went on behind the scenes, seeing that their liabilities were 10 times larger than their liquidity, seeing that FTX was hacked, and that just feels really suspicious to me. I don't know about you guys. I don't know anything for certain, but I do want to hear your opinions in the comments. Let me know what you guys think. This is a huge controversy. I don't even know if it's controversy. I think everyone's pretty much on the same side here, but it does not look good for crypto in general. I think crypto is going to survive this, but it does not give cryptocurrency a good rap when billionaires try to play God with the markets. Sorry, guys. I know this is a little bit of a rant here, but I just don't like when people are going to try and play God with literally millions of people's livelihoods. Some people had their entire life savings in FTX, and to see somebody try to play God and literally ruin some people's financial livelihood is absolutely insane to me. And to see that it could be getting absolutely no consequences for it, except losing 94% of his net worth, which is crazy. And I almost felt bad for a second until I remembered that he's still just about a billionaire. So no sympathy there. But anyways, rant over. It's really unfortunate. I'm so sorry for everyone that was involved and had their money taken by FTX. Absolutely ridiculous what's going on, guys. And with that, let's talk about Ethereum. Right now, I'm looking at Ethereum USD on the TC top and bottom finder here. This was last updated on November 14th. Now, if you want to get access to these metrics and many more benefits, be sure to sign up at the Trade Confident membership in the link below. It's $75 a month and you get tons and tons of value out of this. Now, what I'm seeing here is that Ethereum has dipped below the green line here, and you will see times where we won't get signals here. This is likely because the TC top and bottom finder is not expecting this to be the bottom and is holding off on throwing a signal until we see a bigger move down. I think this is possible given the general economic crisis, given everything that's going on. I think a bottom is very likely to have not happened yet. And I think we're going to see it within the next couple of months. But as of right now, the TC top and bottom finder agrees. There's no big moves down on the market reversal chart, so that continues to confirm that. Here on the 4-hour time frame, taking a closer look, I'm looking at Ethereum USD on the 4-hour time frame here. The TC top and bottom finder is set to 10. Looking at the indicators here, we see the trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow are very low on their charts. This is great to see and could actually indicate a move up. Overall, in the short term, I am feeling a little bit bullish, which is exciting, but I don't think that's going to be very long-lived. I think we're going to see a local top here at 1,345 to meet structure resistance that we last saw at the last sell signal. Once we bounce off that, I think it's very likely we will do exactly what happened here and fall back down to the 1,198. Let's just call it $1,200 support level. On the 4-hour time frame here, we did get a strong buy signal as we bottom out, which is great to see. But again, on the 1-day time frame, we saw no such signal, showing me that we are expecting a larger move down on the 1-day, especially the weekly time frame here. Check this out, guys. Weekly time frame here shows trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow are crazy high on their charts. We saw Ethereum's bottom down here, got a strong buy signal, and it moved back up like crazy, and I think that's going to happen again down here. Overall, though, short-term price prediction is a move up to structure resistance, local structure resistance at $1,345, followed by a move back down to structure support at $1,198. These are both very close local structure supports, and this is what we're going to be looking at over the next week or so. Now, as I said, we have a Black Friday sale going, and right after this conclusion, I'm going to tell you exactly how to get access. But before we do that, the links are in the description. Now, this Black Friday sale will last on until Black Friday, and with that, be sure to click the link in the description to get access, but more on that after this quick conclusion. So you got my crazy rant here, guys. I'm feeling really really frustrated, really upset with the state of cryptocurrency. I feel like so much trust has been lost that we've been working to build for so long in the crypto market. I feel played and my money wasn't even in FTX. I found myself trusting what Sam Bankman-Fried was saying, but at this point, I've kind of lost trust for any big officials in the crypto market. I feel it's acceptable to be skeptical of really anyone in the crypto space. Any major exchanges, I think, need to put under extreme scrutiny. I think it should be regulated. That cryptocurrency exchanges should have a full and easily publicly accessible balance sheet that they can access at any time. I think there needs to be extreme transparency, and I think crypto regulations need to happen because of that. I think crypto regulations could be difficult in the short term, but I think it's necessary for the long-term livelihood of cryptocurrency. With that, let me show you how to get access to these indicators. Again, what you want to do is click the link in the description, and it'll bring you to this page right here. This is the Black Friday indicator sale. Indicators are sold separate from the $75 a month membership, and this is our biggest sale of the month. Ends Friday, November 25th, which is Black Friday. And don't take it from us, guys. These indicators really work. This person made $950 in one day, 4,300 in just a week, 5,200, 4,300 in their first 3 trades, 3,200 in 3 days. Absolutely incredible. So if you want to get access to these amazing indicators, be sure to click the link in the description. Here's the best possible deal you can get. What you're going to want to do is use code SAVE50 at checkout to get $50 off the bundle pack. Now, this bundle pack includes 9 indicators, including the price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion indicators you saw me use in this video. On top of this, includes a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder and TC market reversal. So if you want all 11 indicators at the best deal possible, again, be sure to purchase that bundle pack, use the code, and then purchase the TC top and bottom finder here. No matter what you get, though, you get lifetime access for a one-time payment and full dedicated support. So if you ever have any questions, be sure to email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I want to hear your opinions on this. Let me know what you think of all this news that just came out about the FTX exchange and Sam Bankman-Fried. Let me know what you think about crypto regulations and what they should be in the United States to keep crypto safe. Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps our channel out. And if you subscribe, you'll get crypto content, education, and analysis every single weekday. With that, thanks so much for watching again. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.